again, almost playing Perisic in, and Brazil caught the header away. Danilo completes the clearance, but any slight hint of complacency from Brazil is being jumped on.
Yeah, well played there, Luka Modric. They're just trying to pitch that ball high up the park when they get the opportunity off Brazil. So they do hear the goalkeeper rolling out to Casemiro. That's a little too late, but that turn on the ball, Modric onto it very quickly. Again, it should be another Croatia shot, really blinding that box. That I think they've got to really do. When they do turn the ball over like that, be really brave and commit people into that box.
But that's what they haven't got now, is it? They haven't got a Mandzukic.
No, they don't. They don't have a the ball in order to try and win it back. They just forces Croatia to lose a bit of accuracy in those passes.
Vinicius Junior teases one into the box. Cavani all the way, only as far as Paqueta. That's Rafinha challenging with Sosa. Stands his ground, and Brozovic backs him up, and they get the better of Richarlison.
Excellent play. Brilliant play.
Solid, intelligent football from Croatia, who now look to break with Pajalic. He's got Juranovic to his right, Modric through the middle, Perisic on the far side of the penalty area, dropping a little deeper and now into possession. Looking for an opening.
Good block in the end. Right idea from Andrej Kramaric to step inside on the right foot, potentially take the shot.
Lovren. Now Kovacic. He's really had to bide his time to find a slot in the Croatian midfield at the World Cup. Space for him here.
Well.
Trying to bring Perisic into the game. Paqueta finds Danilo. Is Casemiro. Eder Militao. Now Rafinha.
Go, fight. You.
Neymar dropping to collect. Vinicius Junior inside. Richarlison. Lucas Paqueta just outside it.
Martinelli, there's Rodrigo, Bruno, there's some fabulous forward-thinking players here.
Takes a seat. First change of the man. Juranovic.
It's so difficult to do what they're so adept at. This just keeping it ticking over. And the reason why Brazil aren't really going after it is because they know they'll get picked off. They're so good at keeping the ball, making those little 10-yard passes, and then moving and finding a click mode.
Modric with that initial pass. Here's Andrej Kramaric looking for an opportunity.